If your favorite tools have become paid, does that mean your dream of starting an animation channel will stop here? Absolutely not, because today I brought you the same old viral video formula but with completely free AI tools. So in today's video, I'll show you a trick where just one single prompt will write your entire script. Your character will stay the same in every scene and your static images will smoothly animate too. No complicated editing and not even a single repeated spat. So let's get started. So to make a video, the first thing we need is a clear script, and for this I'll give this prompt to GPT. Basically, the simple meaning of this prompt is that we give GPT a topic and then it uses that topic to create a complete 59 seconds YouTube video script. In this script, the whole video is divided into 5 to 6 small scenes where each scene clearly explains what the stickman is doing, what he is thinking, and what his feelings or expressions are at that moment. The main purpose of this is to give us a ready-made storytelling script that can easily be used for animation without thinking about every detail ourselves. So now you can see that as soon as I enter my topic, I got a complete video script. So after this script, the next step is to generate images so we can give our animation a visual form. So for this, I'll now use this prompt. The meaning of this prompt is that after creating the video script, we'll generate image prompts for each scene so the Stickman animation visuals can be prepared. In this, every prompt is written in paragraph style and each paragraph start with the same line. Use the Stickman character as before. So the character stays consistent in every scene. Then in each scene, the Stickman's position, movement, emotions, and any props being used are mentioned. At the same time, the background is kept simple and clean so the focus stays only on the story and expressions. This gives the AI clear instructions on how to create a cinematic visual for every scene. So now you can see that I received image prompts for every scene. And the next step is to animate these images. So for this animation, we also need a clear prompt. So for this, I'll now use this prompt. The purpose of this prompt is to generate animation instructions for each scene so that static images can smoothly be converted into a video. In this, the AI is clearly instructed to animate only the stickman's arms, head, or props, while the whole body should remain stable and the same. Every movement is kept simple and smooth, like slight head movement or raising an arm, so the animation looks natural. At the same time, it's also ensured that the stickman stays the same in every scene and only the action and expressions change. The whole video is approximately 59 seconds long and the instructions are kept beginner friendly and clean so they can easily be followed. Now you can see that our complete set is ready. We already have the script, image prompts, and animation instructions. So the next step is to create images because animation is not possible without a visual base. So for this, I'll use Gemini Nano Banana. So after opening the website, you simply click on the create image option, then use the plus icon to upload your reference image so the character remains consistent. And after that, we enter our first image prompt and the AI generates the image according to that scene. So you can see that using our reference image, the AI successfully generated the first scene image while maintaining the same style and consistency. Now I'll create images for all the remaining scenes in the same way. So the entire story is visually ready with a consistent stickman character. Now that all our images are ready, we move to the next step, which is animation. For this, I'll use Google Vids. So after signing in, we see a simple interface where there are two options on the right side, create from scratch and animate from images. To animate our ready images, we'll simply click on animate from image. And after that, we click the plus icon and upload our first image. Then in the prompt box below, we enter the first animation prompt that we generated earlier. And now we simply click generate, and after a short while, the AI converts that image into a smooth video clip. And after the generation is complete, we get two options, insert and recreate. If the animation looks good, we click on insert, which adds that clip into our timeline. If you don't like it, we can click recreate and generate it again. So let's go ahead and check the video. So you can see how amazing the generated video looks. Now we simply repeat the same process again. Click the plus icon, upload the second image, enter the second animation prompt and generate it. In this way, we animate each scene step by step until the whole video is ready. So you can see that all the scenes are now properly arranged here. The best thing is that we can easily edit everything at this stage. We also add transitions so that the scenes connect smooth with each other. Along with that, we can also add subtitles if you want to make the video more engaging. And now I have added the transitions here. As you can see on the right side, there is also a voiceover option available. From here, we can generate our voiceover as well. Here we enter our script scene by scene, then we select our preferred voice and click on generate. In just a short time, a complete voiceover is ready and automatically syncs with the video. You can see that my entire voiceover has been generated. If we want, we could also add captions from here to make the video more engaging. And once the video is fully ready, we simply click on download MP4 and download our final video. So now my video is ready. Let's watch the final result.
He stands at the base of a huge mountain, looking up with fear. This looks impossible, he thinks, but still takes his first step forward. While climbing, the rocks shake, and he nearly falls, catching himself at the last moment. I can't fall. Not here, he tells himself, and keeps moving. Halfway up, exhaustion hits. He drops to one knee, breathing heavily as doubt fills his mind. It's too hard. Maybe I should stop. He closes his eyes, takes a deep breath, and slowly lifts his head again. Determination returns as he whispers, "One more step." He pushes through the final steps and reaches the top. Standing in the wind, he smiles calmly. It was never impossible. Just one more step.
So you saw how from a simple idea, we created a complete animated video using AI without heavy editing, without expensive tools, and without any technical skills. Just prompts, a bit of creativity, and a smart use of AI. And the whole story turned into a smooth animation. Now this system is in your hands. You can use it in your own style to create motivational videos, stories, or even funny animations. The possibilities are literally unlimited. So if you found this process useful, don't forget to like and subscribe because I'll keep bringing more AI tricks and viral video formulas like this. And make sure to comment what topic you want your next video on. And yes, if you also want to see how a single AI tool can create multiple types of viral videos across different niches, then definitely click on this video. It can take your content creation game to the next level. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.